Hey everyone, welcome back. Kapil here from Dig with Geek. Today we are going to do unboxing of MacBook Air with M2 chip. And this is not a base model. I got a custom configuration. So let's move ahead and check out. One more thing. There is a lot of controversy right now going on about the slow SSD disk space, especially with the base model. So I have got this one with 1 TB SSD. Let's unbox it and then we will check out the SSD disk speed with 1 TB. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So let's unbox it. And here it is. I have not ordered the base model. I have ordered the MacBook Air with M2. It's with 8-core CPU, 10-core GPU, 16 GB RAM, 1 TB SSD. So let's see. I ordered a midnight color. Okay, this is our MacBook. I will unwrap it in a moment. This is the braided color matching cable. We'll keep it aside. And this is the 30-watt dual USB-C charger. And these are some documents and most likely some Apple stickers. These are color matching Apple stickers. Have you ever used the stickers? Or like I have never. Let's unwrap it and open it. So here is our midnight color MacBook Air M2. Shall I open it? Okay, let's open it. Let's hear it. Okay, it's booting. Wow, just look at it, man. We will do the setup a little bit later. Can you see it? So nice. It's so thin. Here are two USB-C ports along with our new MagSafe 3 charging point, and here is our headphone jack. This is really lightweight. This is really nice and it's quite thin. So configuration of my MacBook is 1080p FaceTime HD camera, 35-watt dual USB-C port power adapter, 16 GB RAM, 1 TB SSD, then the Magic Keyboard with Touch ID. It's 13.6-inch liquid retina display with True Tone, 2 Thunderbolt ports, Apple M2 chip with 8-core CPU, 10-core GPU, 16-core neural engine, and MagSafe 3 charging port. Now let's see its charging cable. It's color matching. This is the MagSafe, and it's with dual USB-C. So it's like while if I'm traveling, I just need to carry a single power or charging brick. I don't need to carry multiple of them. I can charge my iPhone as well as my MacBook from the same charger. I bought it for 1,89,000. Actually, that was the price for this configuration, but I got instant cashback of ₹6,000 because I paid using HDFC credit card. So even if you're planning to get a MacBook Air with M2, make sure to use HDFC card because this offer is only for HDFC credit card. So it cost me 1,83,000. I ordered it on 5th of August, and at that time the expected date of delivery was 24th August to 1st September. But somehow Apple sent it earlier and I got it on 17th August itself. The display looks really good. It has very thin bezels. And not only this, there is still an Apple notch. But don't worry, I have been using my MacBook Pro. It also has this notch, and within few seconds it just disappears. when I say disappear, it does not, I don't mean it literally, but basically you don't feel it because there is a top menu bar which actually covers it, so it's actually not a usable area, so you won't notice that there is a notch on day-to-day use. It has a boxy look, not like the M1 wedge shape. It has a complete boxy look, just like the MacBook Pro with M1 chip. I got the midnight color because I've already used space gray and silver color. Even my current MacBook Pro is silver color, so I wanted to try something new, so I got this midnight color. But do note, it is a fingerprint magnet. I'm not sure if you can see it in the camera, but wherever I touch, it will get those fingerprints. Because in the dark color, fingerprints are quite easily visible. So you need to be ready to clean it on daily basis. There is one more noticeable problem that many YouTubers have pointed out. As you can see, these USB ports. Basically, if you plug in and plug out a USB cable a lot of times, and if you're not careful, if you scratch it up, you will see silver color scratches. That's a big problem with this midnight color. This is not an issue with silver color because that's the actual aluminum or metal color. But in midnight color, since it's a dark shade, if you scratch it up, even if the color wears out or the coating wears out, you will start seeing silver color scratches. So be careful when you plug in or plug out any Type-C or Thunderbolt cables in this port. So this is one setback for MacBook Air M2 midnight color. But I really love the aesthetics of this midnight color. Like, it's really beautiful. Like, this is the first time Apple has released a MacBook in this kind of dark shade, at least in metal body. I'm not sure about the plastic ones. This MacBook Air keyboard, at the back of the keys, it's also midnight, but with the M1, but with the MacBook Pro, with the M1 Pro chip or the M1 chip, it's actually back whole plastic. The base is made of plastic black, so this gives a more premium look. This MacBook Air has just 2 Thunderbolt ports or USB-C ports, whereas the MacBook Pro, it comes with MagSafe. Even the MacBook Air has MagSafe, but this MacBook Pro comes with MagSafe, 3 Thunderbolt or USB Type-C ports, along with it has a SD card reader and headphone jack. So basically this MacBook Air is missing 1 Thunderbolt port and the SD card reader. And yeah, MacBook Pro even has an HDMI port. MacBook Air does not have a HDMI port. I will just quickly set up this MacBook Air, then we will run some SSD or disk I/O test on the 1 TB SSD and see how is its performance. So I've done the basic setup and got it online using my iCloud account. I have not downloaded any data or added anything to it. There are no software installed except for the Blackmagic speed test software, nothing more. So let's see. And here it goes. Wow, it's going over 3200 megabytes per second write speed, and the read speed close to 2800 megabytes per second. That's not bad. As far as I remember, even a MacBook Pro gives same disk read and write operation speed. So to all the YouTubers creating controversies to get clicks and views, if you really want to run benchmarks, at least get a laptop or MacBook Air with decent disk. See, this is actually, I would say this is also beast laptop. You can't consider it less. It is able to give good results. It's like almost, or every time it's almost close to 3200 megabytes per second. That's not bad. So that's all for this video, but very soon I will be giving a detailed review or my opinion about MacBook Air. This was just an unboxing video and also to talk about the disk speed. As you can see, the disk speed is actually very good and decent for a MacBook Air, for such a lightweight MacBook, for such a lightweight laptop. So the disk speed is not an issue as long as you are getting a MacBook with 1 TB SSD, or maybe I think this you should be able to get good decent speed even with 512 GB SSD. I won't talk about what other YouTubers are showing because this is what I am seeing with 1 TB SSD. So I will just talk about that. So make sure to like this video and do subscribe to the channel so that you can get notified about my future videos. Very soon I will post a detailed review. Bye for now. Have a great day. Bye bye.